Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and I would like to share with you how to make the herringbone half double crochet stitch. And it's this stitch right here. I've been working in this row. It creates a very nice texture. It's a variation of the half double crochet, which has a slight twist that creates a slanted texture look, resembling a herringbone pattern. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, pull up our yarn, and instead of going around and through all the loops like a traditional half double crochet, we're going to slip right into that first loop on our hook and then yarn over and pull through the last two. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up your yarn, slip it through the top loop, yarn over, and pull through the next two loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through your yarn, go through the first loop, then yarn over and pull through the last two loops. And this is going to be very easy the more you do it, and gives you a really nice texture for any project. And that is the herringbone half double crochet stitch. Please like and subscribe to my channel for free patterns and crochet tips and stitches, and have a great day.